Good morning, children. Welcome you to the English class of 8th standard. Students, as we know, today we have to start a new chapter, and that is articles. But before we start with articles, let us revise what we studied in the previous class. If you remember, we all studied about determiners. What are determiners? Some words in English language determine the meaning of nouns. They determine which or how many things nouns refer to or to show whether a noun refers to a general or specific object, person or place. And these words are called determiners. Determiners were of various kinds, and we all know that articles is also one of the kind of determiner. So in this chapter, we are going to study about articles. Articles is nothing new to us. We have studied about articles in the previous classes also. So let us start. A and the are called articles. Articles is to be used before a noun or an adjective of quality in a sentence to determine or point out something about that noun in a sentence. So, children, a and the are articles, and they are always used before a noun, and it determines or points out about something about that noun in that sentence. Articles are of two types. There are two types of articles. First is definite article, and in the definite articles comes what? The. The second type of article is indefinite articles, and we all know under indefinite article comes a or an. First of all, coming to definite article, that is the. Where do we use it? We use the before the countable and uncountable nouns. So, the can be used before both countable nouns and uncountable nouns too. See the first example. He is the captain of our team. Here we can see that the is used before what? Captain. The shampoo is sweet smelling. Here we can see that in the first sentence, captain is countable. In the second sentence, shampoo is an uncountable noun, and we can see the is used in both the kinds. Second place where we can use the is before the nouns starting with vowels and consonant sounds. Now we all know that there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of the alphabets apart from these vowels are the consonants. The oranges are ripe. And second example, the bus has not yet arrived. So here again we can see that the is used with both nouns that sound or that start with vowel or consonant. Third usage is to make the noun particular or special. For example, call the boy here immediately means the special boy who is being called. So here we can see that the article the before the noun boy is pointing out, or it is making that boy particular or special. Coming to indefinite article a or an. Now, a or an Both are used before a countable singular noun. For example, he is a boy. Here, a is used before the noun boy. Dog is an animal. Here in the second example, we can see that an is used and both are countable singular noun. Now, what is the difference in usage of a and an? A is used before the noun starting with consonant sound. Example, take a bus to reach school. While an is used before nouns starting with vowel sound. Give me an apple to eat. Here we can see that apple is starting with a and a is a vowel. Third point where can we a and an be used is to indicate that the noun is not particular but common or general. Also means one in number. Like in the usage of definite article, I told you that it is used to make the noun particular, but a or an is used where the noun is common or general. A boy is sitting on the bench. Second example, an aeroplane has just landed. So children, I think so. Now the use of two kinds of articles, that is definite article the and indefinite article a or an, is clear to you all. Thank you.